With 40 years of working experience, Mr. Zainuddin plays a role managing medical benefits with collaboration with Ethica. Mr. Zainuddin ensures Maybank employees receive quality medical care by managing benefits by using Ethica, Maybank's insurance arm. He oversees a network of panels, clinics, hospitals, and addressing rising medical inflation while extending coverage to employees and their families. His efforts enhance motivation and demonstrate a balance between cost efficiency and employee welfare, supporting Maybank family-friendly values. Not only that, during COVID-19, Mr. Zainuddin played a key role in safeguarding employee health. He coordinated with healthcare providers for seamless treatment access, communicated health protocols, and ensured timely assistance. His leadership during this difficult time at this crisis maintained employee morale and minimized the pandemic's organization impact. This is showcasing his adaptability and commitment to the welfare. For employee support, Mr. Zainuddin acts as a vital resource for employees, guiding them on medical services and dependent coverage. Its transparent communication fosters trust and ensures employees can make informed decisions. By addressing questions and providing support, it strengthens Maybank's human-centered HR approach and enhances the overall employee experience. For strategic cost management, Mr. Zainuddin manages healthcare costs by evaluating panel providers, identifying inefficiencies, and negotiating favorable terms. He also avoids benefits abuse through education and strict monitoring with Ethica. These strategies reduce unnecessary expenses while ensuring high-quality care, promoting sustainable and responsible use of resources.
Mental health advocacy. Mr. Zainuddin has taken proactive measures to promote employees' well-being. As a qualified mental health first aider, he has the knowledge and abilities to recognize early signs of mental health issues in employees and provide prompt assistance. He actively advocates for removing stigma surrounding mental health within the organization. Mr. Zainuddin helps promote inclusivity and psychological safety in the workplace. He also contributes to creating a supportive and empathetic environment. His certification reflects Maybank's larger commitment to comprehensive employee well-being, which includes both physical and emotional wellness. Next, training and development. Mr. Zainuddin, recognized as a key figure in professional development within Maybank's HR division. He has extensive experience in enhancing skills and knowledge among HR staff. He has conducted training programs to upskill HR team members, keeps colleagues updated on trends and laws in employee welfare and benefit administration. He also ensures HR practice remain innovative and aligned with Maybank's mission and supports Maybank's objective of humanizing financial service. Next, long-term healthcare collaboration. Mr. Zainuddin collaborates with pharmacies to reduce costs of long-term medications for employees with chronic disease. Maybank has achieved a 25 to 30% reduction in drug costs while maintaining access to essential medicines. It has reduced financial strain on employees through affordable healthcare solutions. It has enhanced access to critical treatments and medicines. It has built a model for ethical and meaningful benefits administration by cultivating good connections with healthcare providers and always looking for cost-effective alternatives. Lastly, leadership and mentorship. Mr. Zainuddin has over 4 decades of expertise in Maybank's Human Resources division and recognized as a leader and a mentor. He provides guidance to junior HR staff on managing sector complexities. He teaches his mentees the value of empathy, ethical decision-making, and a people-centric approach to HR management. He ensures that Maybank's employee-focused HR policies continue by developing leadership skills in others, shape the careers of many HR professionals within Maybank, and he fosters a collaborative and excellence-driven culture in the HR department.
So I will explain about challenges managing HR for employees at Maybank. The first one, Maybank have problem in rising healthcare expenses versus employee expectations. The second one, policy covers immediate treatments but excludes preventive care and congenital condition, leading to dissatisfaction among staff. So the second one is challenges in communicating exclusion. Employees at Maybank often confused about why some treatments are excluded. This leads to frustration arises despite having an appeals process. And the third one is challenges in staff independence. Staff independence, limited coverage restricts preventive health options which make employees feel their health decisions are being constrained. And lastly, the last challenges in managing HR at Maybank is challenges in crisis management. These challenges happen when Maybank wants to support their employees during disaster, such as financial aid and housing, which is very complex. It also becomes a challenge when Maybank wants to ensure fairness and providing long-term psychological support to their staff.
There are 5 types of training received by the HR. The first one is certification as a mental health first aider. For example, recognizing signs of anxiety, depression, also stress, offering emotional support through empathy and active listening, crisis management skill for handling panic attack. For example, for those employees who have like panic attack, they handle it efficiently and professional. The next one is referring employees to a licensed professional when needed. The second one is HR management training. For example, workforce planning, succession planning, and also leadership, change management, and also career development. The next one is seminar, webinar, and other training program to exposure to new HR tools and technology for them, and also networking opportunity with HR professionals from other industry to gain knowledge, and also workshop on communication, conflict resolution, and HR technology for the HR. The next one is in-house and external training program, which is training on honesty, transparency, and ethical decision making. The next one is promoting growth through professional development opportunities to help staff upskill in areas like data analysis, project management, and also public speaking. And lastly, fostering excellence in performance and collaboration to help conduct team building activities to strengthen interdepartmental collaboration. Lastly is on-the-job training, employee benefit management, overseeing insurance and benefit program in collaboration with Maybank's Etika. For example, a company collaborate with Etika to offer employee tailored health insurance plans. Lastly, crisis management, responding effectively to help crisis, for example, COVID-19 and natural disaster. During the COVID-19 pandemic, a company developed a remote work policy for employees.
Now I'll present about the new knowledge or insights that we gained from this interview. First one is medical benefits administrations. Maybank collaborates with Etika to efficiently manage the employee medical benefits. These partnerships ensure the quality healthcare coverage while controlling the costs, showcasing the value of working with trust provider to enhance employee security. The second one is balancing medical costs. Rising medical costs post-pandemic present challenge. Maybank addresses this with the proactive strategies like cost containment and benefits monitoring, demonstrates the needs for innovations to balance coverage with financial sustainability. The third one is crisis management. Maybank HR showcased adaptability and empathy during the crisis like COVID-19 by forming the crisis management teams. This highlights the HR vital role in ensuring employee welfare and maintaining the organization resilience. HR trainings and development. Maybank invests in programs like mental health first aid and industry seminar to equip the HR professional with skills to address evolving challenges, fostering a supportive workplace. The next insight is employee trainings initiative. Through the initiative like Future Ready and Maybank Academics, Maybank enhance the technologies and leadership skills, aligning with the Tiger value to drive the innovations and success. The following insights is aligning goals and satisfactions. Hybrid work arrangements and wellness programs prioritize the employee well-being, boosting the satisfactions, productivity, and engagements. The next one is promoting the workplace culture. Maybank promotes the diversity and inclusion through the unconscious bias trainings and the cultural events, fostering teams' cohesion and equitable opportunity. The last insight is empathy in HR practice. Empathy-driven initiatives address the stress and performance issues, encouraging open communications and support. That's all for my parts. Now move to the conclusion.
In conclusion, there are a lot of reflections from our interview with Mr. Zainuddin Rusli, where our group members gain a deeper appreciation of the critical role of HR plays. There are a lot of positive outcomes that we gain from the interview. Firstly, understanding the strategic role of HR. HR is more of a strategy partner. For example, his description of Maybank Group Capital Framework shows us how focusing employees' well-being will ultimately drive organizational growth. Secondly, employees' welfare comes first. Mr. Zainuddin also has collaboration with Etika in order to manage medical benefits of the employees, which have a direct impact on the employee satisfaction and morale. And the third one is leading through crisis. One of the crucial parts from the interview was Mr. Zainuddin's story when navigating challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic. The way he organized support systems, coordinating with healthcare providers, and also maintaining communication with the affected employees was really inspiring for us. Next, the power of training and growth. Programs like Maybank Future Ready initiative reflect an organization that genuinely invests in its people. Last but not least, empathy at the core. Empathy really plays a significant role in resolving conflicts because through empathy, we can support the employees through personal and professional challenges. In the end, we gain a lot of positive outcomes from the interview and of course from the assignment. It increased our understanding of what it means to truly care for employees while meeting the organization goals.